How much sucralose is in Earlybird? Earlybird Morning Cocktail contains a carefully measured amount of sucralose to ensure it's sweet without adding calories. And if you want to get 10% off Earlybird, make sure you use my link right down below to buy yours from the official website. And by the way, let's learn a little bit more about Earlybird Morning Cocktail with my review. My name is Vernon Brown, and I'm going to be reviewing the Earlybird Morning Cocktail. I'm always looking for energy, being a father, being an early riser, being a family man, just being an entrepreneur. I need energy, and this project claims to provide it. Let's find out how legit it really is. I've already mixed it with water as directed, and I left it on my nightstand. I took this not too long ago, and I wanted to discuss my energy levels, and we could talk about some good stuff right there. First, the taste. The taste. It has this smooth citrus flavor, which is great at 5 a.m. when I get up. There's no funky aftertaste, which is a big deal for me. I don't want to have that flavor, right? There's no funky aftertaste, and it's quite impressive. My energy's peaking, and I feel it rising. No jitters so far, which is a big plus compared to other energy drinks that I've tried in the past. I'll keep checking in and provide updates on my experience over the next few days, but so far, so good. But let's find out. After taking it without food, I've had no weird side effects. On day 2, my energy remains high. I'm skeptical but hopeful, and if you're interested, use that link right down below to get 10% off using my link from the official website. By day 4, I'm still feeling energetic, with no jitters, with no grogginess. It's been phenomenal not having a midday crash. I'm feeling more optimistic and productive. I'm just getting more things done. Visit the official website right down below where you can get a 10% discount using that link. So over the last 5 days, I can confidently recommend this. It has electrolytes and nootropics, helping my brain function better. For those with digestive issues with coffee, this is a perfect alternative for you. Order now from the website down below and get 10% off. If you want a gradual, jittery-free energy boost, Earlybird is for you. It's better than coffee, simple to use, and perfect for early risers. For more details, visit the official website down below and enjoy a 10% discount. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I respond to those. I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.